Going ham in Publix right now. No power in Huntsville.
Oh, but we got plenty of candy.
Minimum 72 hours.
This is so crazy. Low key, you alright, man?
It'll be about 4 hours. Tired, hungry.
Shit is crucial, ain't it, man?
Critical.
Man. Look at all these people in here, man.
No candles.
Early in the morning, man.
9 o'clock.
Gotta get it how you live in here.
It's critical.
This is our box. We got a box pushing this shit. The line is long as hell, man.
No buggy.
You gotta push a box to the line. There's some funny ass people in here too, man. Look lost as hell. Like they're about to die. Man, still the crucial day in Huntsville. We had to skip the goddamn lines, and I wish somebody would act crazy in here. I am strapped up in this store, so we had to skip everybody.
I cut in front of about 300 people. They said the line starts in the back. I said, well, I don't want to start back there. I want to front. Like, this little Nick crazy.
Folks in here looking all happy and shit, like they just happy to be out here.
I'm a thump buddy is. People that try to give me a thump.